In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add headers or section titles in your Surveymonkey survey to enhance the organization and clarity of your survey for respondents. Whether you want to place titles at the top of each page or within the question flow, Surveymonkey provides flexible options for you to customize how your survey looks and feels. Let's look at how you can effectively add a page title, which acts as a header at the top of each survey page, creating a professional and organized layout. First, you'll want to go to the Design Survey tab within your Surveymonkey account. This is your main workspace for customizing the appearance and flow of your survey. Once you're in the Design Survey tab, navigate to the particular page where you want to add your header. It's important to scroll up to the very top of this page, as that's where your new page title will be placed. Now it's time to add your title. Click on the option that says Add Page Title. This feature will serve as a classic header, right at the start of the survey page, giving your respondents a clear indication of the page's content or purpose. Here, you're allowed to enter your title, which can be up to 100 characters long. Remember, keeping this concise yet descriptive will go a long way in maintaining your survey's clarity. Good news! The title area also supports rich formatting. This means you can bold, italicize, or underline your text, and even change the font color. Using these features can help make specific words stand out or enhance the overall visual appeal of your survey. Beneath your title, you can opt to add a page description if needed. This additional text box supports up to 4,000 characters and comes with full rich text support. This means you can also structure this text with bullet points or different text styles, providing more in-depth context or instructions to your respondents. For example, if the page title is something like User Preferences, you might describe what types of preferences you are surveying below it. Once you've tailored the title and any optional description to your satisfaction, it's crucial to remember to click Save. This ensures all your hard work is retained and visible in your live survey. If there's ever a need to hide these page titles from your respondents, for example, if you're testing the survey with colleagues or want to keep the layout clean, you can easily toggle them off. Simply head over to the Options menu on the side panel and switch off the page titles under the appropriate section. By adding clear and engaging headers, you not only provide essential guidance to your respondents, but also enhance the overall user experience of your survey. Whether you choose to craft elaborate introductions or maintain straightforward titles, Surveymonkey's flexible options make it easy for you to match your survey's functionality to its form. Thank you for joining me today, and happy surveying.